Mental illness is a broad term that encompasses a range of psychological disorders affecting a person's thoughts, emotions, behaviors, and overall mental well-being. It can manifest in various forms, such as depression, anxiety, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, and more. Maintaining good mental health is vital for several reasons. Firstly, it directly affects our ability to cope with daily stressor and challenges, enhancing our resilience. Secondly, good mental health contributes to increased productivity and better performance in various aspects of life, including work, studies, and personal pursuits. Now about the chatbot. The chatbot I have developed is a valuable and innovative tool in the realm of mental health support and well-being. Its features and capabilities make it a holistic assistant for patients seeking to recover from mental illness and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Let's dive into its key functionalities. 1. Recovery support. The chatbot serves as a virtual companion for individuals on their path to mental health recovery. By providing a safe and non-judgmental space to express their thoughts and emotions, the chatbot can assist users in understanding and managing their mental health challenges. 2. Exercise tracking. Regular exercise is known to have positive effects on mental health. The chatbot allows patients to log and track their daily exercises. 3. Sleep cycle monitoring. The chatbot helps users monitor their sleep patterns, offering tips and suggestions to improve sleep quality and establish healthy sleep routines. 4. Dietary guidance. The chatbot aids patients in recording their dietary habits and provides personalized advice on maintaining a balanced and nutritious diet. 5. Stress management. The chatbot assists users in identifying stress triggers and coping mechanisms it may offer. Relaxation techniques, mindfulness exercises, and stress reduction strategies to help individuals better manage stress in their daily lives. 6. Fitness goals. The chatbot supports users in defining realistic fitness objectives and tracking their progress, celebrating milestones along the way. As the world continues to recognize the importance of mental health, my chatbot application can play a vital role in improving the lives of countless individuals struggling with mental illness.